At the end of this video, I have provided a link to a free webinar that teaches you how to make money online. What if you could help people and generate income online at the same time? My friend Mike and his team do that every single day with their 20-minute workday system and make upwards of $200 to $1,000 daily doing it. I was so impressed after seeing them do this, that I asked them to share their 3-step system with you on a free training workshop today. Here's how simple this system really is. Step number 1, you find people that need help. Step number 2, you give them the solution using Mike's BURN protocol. Step number 3, you generate passive income on autopilot. If that sounds easy, that's because it is. When you attend today's free workshop, you'll learn the no-risk, A to Z system that makes this possible. Even better, their 20-minute workday system takes advantage of a secret $107 billion industry that has no competition and requires less than 20 minutes per day to get started with. In today's session, Mike and his team will show you exactly how to start making $200 to $1,000 per day on autopilot with less than 20 minutes per day. Their 3-step system is a brand new way to generate income online where you don't need a sales funnel, a blog, or a website. You don't need to run any FB ads, Google ads, or IG ads. You don't need to use social media or do e-commerce. You don't need your own product, or any marketing experience, technical skills. There has been a ton of interest for this information, so make sure to show up 20 minutes early because the room will fill up quickly. Also, attend from your computer, not your cell phone, because these workshops take up a lot of bandwidth and don't always work from a smartphone. You can't find this information anywhere else. So give me a shot and watch my webinar at this link https://t2m.io/zu5mbf. After all, it's free. So what have you got to lose?